The first step toward success is taken when you refuse to be a captive of the environment in which you first find yourself. I've found that luck is entirely predictable. If you want more luck, take more chances, be more active, and show up more often. If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. Do your work with your whole heart, and you will succeed. There's so little competition. Motivation will almost always beat mere talent. Big shots are only little shots that keep shooting. You can never quit. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. After a storm comes a calm. The more things you do, the more you can do. Set your sights high, the higher the better. Expect the most wonderful things to happen, not in the future but right now. Realize that nothing is too good. Allow absolutely nothing to hamper you or hold you up in any way. Go big or go home. Because it's true. What do you have to lose? Whatever you want in life, other people are going to want it too. Believe in yourself enough to accept the idea that you have an equal right to it. Small deeds done are better than great deeds planned. You just can't beat the person who never gives up. Either I will find a way, or I will make one. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. One way to keep momentum going is to have constantly greater goals. A goal is a dream with a deadline. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious. Every exit is an entry somewhere else. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new